Elder abuse in Europe is becoming more relevant as its population is getting progressively older. It is estimated that by 2020, 20.5% of Europe's population will be over the age of 65. And by 2040, this number will rise to 27%. There are different predictions regarding what an aging population means in the future. One possibility is that the oldest group, those 85 years and over, will suffer from poor health. That means they will be more vulnerable for abuse. A second possibility is that advances in medical science and in social welfare will ensure that many older people enjoy longer periods of disability-free old age. Gender is a significant factor as well in an aging population. Life expectancy at birth for women is about 5.5 years longer than it is for men within Europe. This means there are more older women than older men. Compared with men, elderly women are 3 times more likely to be widowed or living alone, spend more years and a larger percentage of their lifetimes disabled, are nearly twice as likely to reside in a nursing home, and are more than twice as likely to live in poverty. There is very limited information on violence against older women and men in Europe. For all people, the prevalence rates are as high as 29.3%. For men, as high as 15%, and for women, as high as 23.3%. However, some experts believe elder abuse is underreported by as much as 80%. This is significant, as development of effective measures of response and prevention are lacking because the actual scale of the problem is not known. According to existing research, women were more likely to say that they had experienced mistreatment than men. Also, it is known that prevalence of mistreatment increased with declining health status. The UK study of abuse and neglect of older people was published in 2007. Over 2,100 people in England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland took part in the survey. The study found that the level of mistreatment was higher for people with self-reported health status of bad or very bad, a limiting long-term illness, a lower quality of life, and for those suffering from depression. Overall, 51% of mistreatment in the past year involved a partner or spouse, 49% another family member, 13% a care worker, and 5% a close friend. In 2011, violence against older women was studied within the AVOW project, also known as the Prevalence Study of Abuse and Violence Against Older Women. The research included partners from 5 EU countries: Finland, Austria, Belgium, Lithuania, and Portugal. The study found that overall, 28.1% of older women had experienced some kind of violence or abuse. Emotional abuse was the most common form of violence experienced at 23.6%, followed by financial abuse, 8.8%, violation of rights, 6.4%, and neglect, 5.4%. To find the prevalence of reported abuse by women aged 60 to 64 in your country, you can visit the link in the description of this video.